Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find your favorite images on the iOS 18. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Photos app. This is where we'll find all our albums, including the one for our favorite images. At the bottom left corner, you'll see a 2 arrows button, tap on it. This is like a magic wand that helps us find specific photos. Tap on the filter option. Now we'll see a list of options. We're looking for the one that says Favorites. This is where all the photos we've marked as special are stored. Tap on Favorites, and there they are. All your favorite photos right at your fingertips. You can now scroll through and enjoy them. The Photos app is so smart it automatically creates a Favorites album for you. This is a special album where it stores all the photos you've marked as favorites. When you open the Photos app, simply scroll down till you see the Pinned Collection section. Look for the Favorites album. It should be first in the list since it's so important. Tap on the Favorites album, and there they are. All your favorite photos just like we saw before. And that's it. So that's basically how you can find your favorite images on the iOS 18. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.